Hey everybody, welcome back to MIKEY'S Reviews, and today we'll be reviewing the Calvan Tools Amp Hound item number 74. This is pretty cool, I have to say. So basically what this tool does is that, so let's say your battery dies, and it dies overnight and you have no idea what to do. So back in the day, what they used to do is just take a multimeter, disconnect the battery, put the multimeter on one of the like the positive side, and then check to see every single fuse to see if there's a ampage, like a leak, considered to be like an electrical leak. So this company, what they did is that you don't have to remove the battery terminals, so you just leave it the way it is, and you take the two probes and you put them on the fuses and see which one draws power, and whatever little amp draws power, basically that's what your battery is dead basically, and then you have to get a new battery, or you have to recharge it or get a battery charger. So I got this tool. I'm going to show you this tool, how it works in my car, and I know there is a fuse that's drawing power, so you'll see how that works. So let's do the unboxing, and then I'm going to go to the garage and I'll show you how it works. So this is the box. I'll put the tool in the description if you want to purchase it. Now there's two models of this. This is the old one, which is the which looks like this one here, which is the 74, and then there's a newer model which is about 24 bucks more. The only difference between this one and the new model is that they have adapters, which I don't need. I just need the probes. Why should I buy something that I don't need? So this is more cheaper for me. It's much convenient. It does what I want it to do. Okay, so this is the box. So let's open it up. Okay, it comes with instructions. They say to read everything, which is basically, that's it, 2 pages. The rest is all different languages. Put that on the side, close the box. The device is made in China. It's pretty well built. Here are the probes I was telling you about. These are the banana jacks. Yes, they're called banana jacks, I have no idea why. And it comes in a nice little case, which is kind of cool. Got the name here, Calvan Tools, Amp Hound part number 74. And here it is. Made in China, like I said before, good quality. Take out the little protectors here that they have. Tight. Okay. Pretty simple, red on red, black on black. And then you go to every single little fuse and you check to see if there's an ampage. I'll show that later. So simple, turn on the device. It cuts red. You see the little lines are going across. There's the fuses, which is mini, which is micro mini. They're low profile ones. My car is a Honda, so you can see them. It's a very low profile fuse. They're really small. Standard ones are a little bit above the mini ones, and the MAXI ones are like the real big ones. I remember them when I was a kid. I haven't seen them for a long time. I guess they were used to use them a long time ago, but I don't think they use them anymore. I'm pretty sure they do, but not as much as they used to. So then let's say, for example, I don't know, let's go for the mini, and I want to test, I want to test 7.5, let's say a 15 amp fuse. Then I believe what you do is I think you click, keep it pressed, and no, there it is. So that's good to go. But what I recommend is just leaving it whatever MAXI standard mini, whatever that is. Do your test, and let's say you have an amperage that's drawing power. Then you go here and you change the type, then you put the correct value in, and then after you test it again. But I'll show you again outside and you're gonna get a better feeling of it. So it's called the Amp Hound, and this is how it looks like. And when I shut it off, just type them both. I have to say that you gotta keep me pressed for a while. I have to say that you know, they could have done a little bit better on how to kind of manage it and how to kind of use it. I kind of find it's a little bit awkward, and I guarantee you over time these are gonna break because they're like, you know, they're kind of like, I don't know, too cheapy. But overall, it's a pretty good product, and it does a very good job of what it does. And after when you're done, take them apart, put them in the bag, These ones here, you really don't have to put them, they just came shipped with them. Bunch it all up, put it in the bag, and off to the garage, as they say. Okay, go to the garage, show you how it works. This was pretty cool. Okay, so we're out in the garage to check the fuse. So this is the fuses, of course. These are the micro mini ones. So just to give you an example, quickly, take one of these. These are the micro mini ones. See, they're very low profile ones, and this is what the Hondas usually use the majority of the times. I haven't seen the standard ones or the MAXI ones on the Hondas from what I can remember. So that's those. Okay, so here's the two. Turn it on. It's on. Keep it, whoops, let's keep it here for now. Okay, and let's start with here. Good contact. Oh. There you go. 0, 0, it's good. 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 Now I know this one has an amp. If I can get it. 0.00. See, that's a 10. So now, so let's change that. So if you can tell, it's a 10 fuse. So value, right? 7.5, 10. It's a mini. Keep it pressed. Okay, it's good. All right, let's try that again. And there you go, 0.01 amp. I did research for the Hondas for the number 23. There's an app. It's because of the alarm, which has a little light blinking, and for the immobilizer and the part the locks and when you from the remote key. So this is why it's drawing some apps, but 0.01 is very, very small, and it's recommended by Honda, so that's just fine. So that shouldn't be a problem. If it was like a 5 or a 4, then it should be a concern about it, but that should be okay. There's a 0. And that's not easy. 0. There's another 0. Good stuff. Okay, done. And the only one is this. 0.02. So still within the norm. That's it. That's how this tool works. It's pretty straightforward. Like I said before, I'm not too crazy about the buttons and the way they are. I don't like the way it's done. I find it's a bit finicky, and that's about it. And it's a good tool to have. I recommend it. You should buy it. I'll put the link in the description below. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Take care.